What up, guys? Today we're going to go to a Ethiopian Eritrean party tonight. That's what we're going to. You know, we in Komisahao doing our thing. I hate this weather. I'm gonna be real with you guys. You know I don't like winter. Fall's alright because the leaves change and whatever is beautiful in the north, you know, in the northeast and the north central, the Midwest, or the North Coast, right? All these different names that the Midwest had. But wintertime, I hate this stuff. I don't like snow. I don't care to be cold. I love being hot. I love being warm. I like convertible drop top beaches, things of that nature. So yo guys, we're gonna go check it out tonight, and I mean, let's just see what we get into. I don't know what else to say.
What's up?
Hey!
Shalom.
What up?
Hi.
Africa!